Hello friends, in today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. If you have mistakenly deleted messages on Facebook or its messenger service, this video is designed to help you. The only tool you need is the Facebook app itself. You don't have to spend money on or download any additional software. I'll demonstrate how to retrieve removed messages, but often these messages are simply archived, not deleted. Let's start with understanding how to access archived messages on the Messenger app. Once inside the Messenger app, tap on your profile icon at the top and locate the option titled Archive Chats. There's a high chance that some of your chats have been archived rather than deleted. If you tap on Archive, you can see all archived messages which can be restored at your convenience. For instance, long press on an archived chat and you will see an Unarchive option. Choosing this option moves the chat back into your inbox. If you have checked the archive and still can't locate the messages you're searching for, follow these steps. Go to the main Facebook app and navigate to the Settings menu. Then scroll down to Setting and Privacy. Expand it and select Settings. Within Settings, scroll down to find Download Your Information. Here, you have the ability to download all your Facebook activity, including posts, pages, polls, and most importantly for us, messages. To speed up this process, deselect everything apart from messages. Towards the end of the page, you will see some customizable settings. If you've been a long-time Facebook user, it may be more feasible to choose a specific date range for the download, as downloading all data could take a significant amount of time. You also have the option to choose the format of the download, but HTML is generally the most readable. If you want to include media, select the highest quality option, then hit Create File. Once the file is created, you can download it. Bear in mind this might require login into Facebook through a web browser rather than the app. Upon download, you can locate the file in the Downloads folder of your device, or use an app like Files on Android or iPhone to locate it. Inside the Download folder, you will see a section for messages that contain all the data you've chosen to download. If you can't find the deleted messages in this downloaded data, unfortunately, that means they are permanently erased. However, if they are present, you can open the respective HTML page to view the conversation as it originally happened on Facebook or Messenger. You can then share these messages or send them to yourself for safekeeping. That's it! I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.